I'm ready. Let me know when to turn around.
Are you talking to me?
Yes, let me know. Hello, everyone. Today, after many different turns, we have arrived at our destination.
They don't know what you're talking about.
Today, we're doing a photo shoot in an abandoned warehouse. We have to make sure we don't get by snakes first.
Gee whiz, this is not a good idea. Pray for us as we go on this adventure. There is a dog nearby on a chain. I just hope to God. Oh, okay. He doesn't look scary. Kind of looks cute. He thinks we're here to see him. Where is he? What the? Oh my God. Where are we? Wait, where's the dog? Oh my God, there it is. I don't know if you can see it. It's right there, I think. I don't know. Y'all, I do not know about this. I did not come. This is not good. This is not safe. Dude, there's something crawling on me. I don't like this. I gotta go.
Yeah, nobody can
Oh my
see
God.
it. The grass is so tall.
Oh my God. Look at this. This is just not safe, y'all.
Nobody will be able to see us because the grass is so tall.
Oh
People can't see.
my God. I don't like this. I do not like this. Y'all, this is me walking to my death. Whoa! Oh my God. How you die, everyone? This is crazy. Wanna jump off? I'm just kidding. Don't! Oh my God. Oh my God. Please be careful. Oh my God. Please, I swear. This is insane. Like, I could honestly die here, so my last vlog. This is my last vlog, y'all. What do you think?
I think this is how maybe some people have to end their life.
Oh my God.
God bless.
Oh my God. Oh. I wonder if it feels warm.
You know what? We're gonna have to go around that way. There's no way to jump over.
Yeah. Just
This
go like
is
right
cool,
here and
though.
walk across.
I don't know. It's really pretty over here, though, isn't it?
There. I'd have to go in right there.
Well, let's figure this out a minute.
What on earth is going on? This is crazy. Why are they just birds flying around?
I'm getting creeped out, so let's get this done.
It's like out of a horror movie. Now they're just flying away. So weird. That is crazy.